Are you generating leads through Google Ads but still manually adding every lead into your CRM? So that process is not only time consuming but it also increases the chances of missing leads. Because when your team depends on manual data entry, delays are unavoidable. But what if every lead submitted through your Google Ads form automatically created a contact inside Salesforce CRM instantly? So yes, that's exactly the automation we are going to build in this video. So in this workflow, I have integrated Google Ads with Salesforce CRM using Pabbly Connect. This workflow is extremely useful for marketing agencies, SaaS businesses, real estate companies, and almost for any businesses that are running Google lead form ads. And the best part is, it makes your CRM stays updated automatically 24/7. So without wasting any more time, let's straight jump into the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect. See, the Pabbly Connect is the ultimate tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. Once you do the sign up process, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to integrate multiple applications, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This code is specially for my viewers, so grab this offer as soon as possible. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you will click on this plus create workflow button. It will provide you three options, name as create from scratch, create using AI, and create using Quick Builder. I am going to create a workflow by using Quick Builders, so I am clicking on this option. Next, this Connect AI Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you just have to give a simple single line prompt and it will automatically generate a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work in real time. See, I sent a prompt as connect Google Ads to Salesforce CRM. It analyzes my request and asks me which Google Ads trigger should start this workflow. So I am selecting it as new lead form entry. After that, it is asking me about the Salesforce action that I am selecting as create contact. And see, within a second, my workflow is created and is asking me for my approval. So I am clicking on this button and says that workflow created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow and look at this. I got the exact application that I want, means Google Ads and Salesforce. After getting the application, we need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and our account. So for making it, you just have to click on the application. After that, it will provide you one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Google Ads account with Pabbly Connect. After copying the webhook URL, I am clicking on this recapture webhook response button and see, it started waiting for a webhook response. Now for making a connection, I am going to take you to my Google Ads campaign. See, this is my campaign and this is the lead form that I have already created before. I added only some fields inside it, but you can add more if you want to and customize this form completely based on your requirements. After that, you just have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of lead delivery option. Just click on it and here you will find out one field by the name of webhook URL. So in this field, you just have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your workflow. After pasting the webhook URL, just enter the key in this field and click on the send test data button. See, it says that test data sent. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received the test data or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds and you will see I have received the response that consists the test details. This means that the connection between Google Ads and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. Here I want you to know that I am running this ad in a default mode. That's why I have received the test response. But when you do this, you will able to send the actual, means the real lead data to Pabbly Connect. As we have successfully received the response, now the setup of our trigger application is completed. Next, we have our action application as Salesforce. So for connecting a Salesforce account, you just have to click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this. I am going to make a new connection, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am clicking on this connect with Salesforce button, and next the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission, so I am permitting it by clicking on this allow button. And this is how easily your Salesforce account is going to be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now in this first name field, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Ads. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field, and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this first name field, I am doing the mapping of first name, that is the test data. After that, I am doing the mapping of last name. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation, as it makes it a dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time on the new form submission, this data will change. As again and again I am saying that I have received the test response, that's why I am mapping it, but you have to map the real data that you were received from your previous application. The process of doing mapping is the same, and I mapped only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can map more data based on your own choice. After that, I am clicking on the save and send test request button, and see, I received the positive response. Now we will check our Salesforce CRM to see whether a new contact is created or not by refreshing it. See, automatically a new contact is going to be created inside our Salesforce CRM by the test details. This means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Means every time when a user submits a lead form, based on their details, a new contact is going to be created inside your Salesforce CRM automatically. After the completion of your flow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will become active. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And not only this, you can integrate multiple applications by using this tool. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.